Silky beat.
So we're doing an update video on like everything. Briner did it on the Instagram, but we're gonna do like an in-depth one. So that's Briner's daily right now. He probably didn't talk about it in the video. I didn't think he had that, but as you can see, we have the good hood scoop on, good hood scoop on here, and the good old BMW logo.
I'll introduce this. This is our Dyna Glow Pro. We got it at Home Depot. Me and Alex went half and half on it. It was $300.
Because they know everything.
Basically, this is the garage setup.
Oh, did you?
Why don't we show them upstairs? Gotta get the good lighting, boys.
You tell me.
So this is pretty much our mostly Mark IV part stockpile. And Briner thinks he's selling all of these parts, but we know he's not going to. My wheels are over there. We have a ton of bumpers and stuff.
By the way, guys, the car that this came from is Noah. He kind of like wrecked it, trying to drift.
Noah basically can't drift, and he was trying to be as cool as his friend Harrison and hit a wall.
So I think this is what, a 330i?
230i, yeah.
E90. That's what Briner has now.
Picked it up for $50.
He got a fake M bumper for it. Very cheap.
Coming together. We got the little snack section over here too.
We made a little door for
when we're getting hungry, when we're working on
Yes.
cars. Alright, so we're pulling up to Alex's house and we're gonna show you his Beamer and his Mark 6. Not really the Mark 6 because that hasn't changed. He's trying to sell it.
Alex is not here right now, but since you guys never saw it on the YouTube, here's his E46.
Got the big wing. And that's about it. He got a pulley kit too, and he's getting Apex wheels soon. I don't know when that's coming, probably around summer. And he has an M front bumper, and he got new halos too. We got this from Twin Pine out of the trash. It's pretty good mod. Nice racer mod.
Alright guys, so pretty much here it is. It just needs some wheels and it'll like look actually pretty good. Here's Alex's big fat picnic table.
Should I sit on it? Did
Yeah.
that make him mad? Alex, I'm gonna piss you off real quick, sorry.
This is pretty much the basic interior. Very nice, black and silver.
M Sport. It's a Mark IV.
There's Briner's Mark IV here, of course.
Hey guys.
He's working at Twin Pine.
Hey guys, it's a Mark IV.
Guys, if you didn't know, this is a Mark IV.
Hold on, guys. It's a Mark IV. There's no head latch.
So here's Briner's big turbo. Not really that big, but.
I mean, it's big for the car. There's a video on it.
What even is it?
What turbo is it?
Yeah.
I don't freaking know.
Close her up.
Rate Briner's cracked windshield 1 out of 10 in the comments. Do y'all like it or not, you know?
Update on Briner's interior. The steering wheel, I have no idea what it is. What is it, Sparko?
No, I don't know. It is, yeah, it's that, friend.
Okay. I also got like some new taillights too. And a sticker. He's sad.
He has a code apparently.
Yeah. Alright guys, you guys didn't know, this is Noah. You probably seen him briefly on the channel.
They definitely don't know because we didn't.
He's kind of been, but he's our friend who bought, you guys know, the GLI.
No, they don't know that car. They don't know.
If you guys follow the Instagram, you guys saw that my car was sold. And then this is Noah, he's the one who bought my car. So, don't worry guys, the car will still be on the channel. And there's Briner. Briner Mark IV!
I'm at Twin Pond.
Here's Harris Mark VI guys. It's been a little bit since you guys seen it. It's pretty much bagged now.
Pretty much.
Like this is static actually. But for real, it's bagged.
Okay, so I'm gonna show the trunk setup. It's really clean. Got a box. It's really nice. You can see the wiring, you know, really put together there. No, when
summer was bad.
when summer comes around, I'm probably gonna. When summer comes around, I'm probably gonna work on my trunk setup a little bit more. I'm getting rotiform RCs. I used to have those wheels, but I'm getting the concave ones. And I might wrap it in the future. I don't know how long until I do that though, but pretty much that's all I'm gonna do to it.
What about the watt box?
I don't like the watt box. I want to get rid of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't like the watt box. Hi. That was a really gay moment.
Look, guys, I traded the Mark IV. I got an ST.
A gay one. I think I'll hit the red button.
Nice, dude. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done for today. Like that was pretty much an update of the channel. Covered like pretty much everybody's car. So all set.
Yeah, I'm awesome.